Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful video for you today. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful yogurt matcha smoothie, and this is for weight loss, and this is also diabetic friendly. Okay, so for those of you who are diabetic and you need some smoothies that's not going to spike your sugar level, this is one of them that you can incorporate into your lifestyle. Only requirement is to make sure and check your blood glucose sugar levels just to make sure that they're stable. Okay, so let's get into this video with these wonderful ingredients that you're going to need. Now, for this video, you're going to need a personal size blender, but what we're working with today is 1 cup of our freshly washed spinach. I have my frozen bananas in here. I have my plain Greek yogurt. Okay. Now this is different. I got this as a video review years ago for a company called the Matcha Reserve, and this is mango matcha. Alright, but you can use any type of matcha for this recipe, as well as our stevia. Stevia is a dietary supplement, and this is a natural form of sugar, and it's not going to spike your blood sugar levels. This stevia I got from our Trader Joe's. Okay. And lastly, we're going to be working with our unsweetened almond breeze milk. Any type of healthy plant-based milk will do. What we're going to do now is add in our cup of spinach and pop that into the blender cup. And we're going to need 1 full frozen banana. It can be fresh. It doesn't necessarily have to be frozen, but the frozen gives it a nice chill taste where you won't have to add ice. And I'm going to pop in my bananas. Now I'm going to add in my 1 cup of Greek yogurt. And we're also going to be adding in 1/4 cup of milk, regular milk, your almond breeze milk. Now as far as our matcha powder, you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of matcha. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon. It's going to be green because it's from the green matcha, but the flavor is mango. Yes. Lastly, we're going to add in just a little bit of stevia, just to taste, and that was about 1/2 teaspoon of stevia. All right, so now let's blend this up. Alright, so we are back, and what I'm going to do now is pour it in my cup. Alright, and what you do after that, you just pour it and enjoy a healthy Greek matcha smoothie. Alright, and look how wonderful that is. Now for an added touch, what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of my chia seeds on the top. And if you like, you can make this actually into a pudding if you incorporate 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. But this is wonderful. This is another healthy smoothie that you can incorporate in your healthy weight loss journey. This is a natural smoothie. This can also be a meal replacement, a snack. Okay, you can use smoothies as snacks, y'all, in between your meals, just to satisfy that hunger. Okay, this is another wonderful smoothie idea, and it's diabetic friendly. So for those of you who are diabetic and you have to watch your blood sugar levels, this drink that's going to do it. All you got to do is stay away from adding any extra sugars. Make sure that your yogurt is sugar-free, unsweetened. All right, but this is a delicious and healthy weight loss smoothie, and it's beneficial for those of you who are diabetic and on medication. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this wonderful video, and thank you so much for joining me. If you like what you've heard and you want to see more, thumbs up this video, hit that like button. Also, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on to this channel if you're not already a family member, okay? And you guys, don't forget to check down below for these wonderful items for the personal NutriBullet blenders, as well as the full-size blenders, and also these wonderful straws, okay? These nice, wonderful, reusable metal straws, which is healthy for your enamel. It's healthy when you're drinking these acidic drinks. It's protecting your enamel and is also safe for the environment. They are washable, so they do come in a set with a brush, and you can use these over and over and over again. Also, you guys, don't forget before leaving, hit that subscribe button and that personalization button for my channel, my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. All right? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Vlogs, introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.